Hey guys, what up? Today I tried to do a bath bomb kit. I'll check on it to see if it's doing great because it's been more than 1 minute. It's been a lot of minutes, and I forgot about it, so I'm gonna go get it. So cute. So cute. It's hard. Got a little piece of hair in it, but it's a bath bomb. Okay, so today we are going to cook. What are we gonna cook? Well, we're making some sort of icing. I don't know. But it calls for Snickers. Snickers. I have a bunch of them. Just let me go get my stocking and I'll guess. Okay, so I have a lot of Snickers in my stocking here, so I'm just gonna get some Snickers. Or something. Some Snickers in here. Couldn't find really any Snickers, but I'll get some. I'll tell you guys when I get some. Guys, I swear I had a lot in there now. I'm digging through, I can't find it. I dropped them. But I found this Milky Way. I guess like both of them mixed together might be good. So you're gonna need a bowl. My clear bowl is in the. I'll find a bowl that we can mix that. It's my only clear one. Well, let me get a bowl and see guys. Boom. Hey guys, so I got this bowl and yeah. We will get our Snickers and our Milky Ways into the bowls. They go. So we're just gonna unwrap these, I guess. Ugh. Okay, this one's melting. Okay. Open up the Milky Way. I haven't tried Milky Ways yet. If you know what Milky Ways taste like, just comment down below what they taste like. I don't know what they have in them. Anything. So you're gonna make this microwave it for about 5 seconds. This is 5 more seconds in. That been 5 more seconds. Like my little unicorn. And I did 10 seconds, so let's check on it. Put it in for 15 seconds. So I'm gonna go check on it. Guys, so I don't know if it will, if it melted all the way. Oh gosh. The Milky Way hasn't really melted as good, but if you hear somebody like walking on the floor, it's my dog. Oh my gosh, he's trying to get a piece of trash on the floor. He thinks it's like food. He's hungry. Okay, so this is what the mixture came. So this looks like slime, like edible slime probably, but do not eat it yet because this mixture is supposed to be icing, but does this look like icing to you? Not to me. It doesn't, but we are going to fix that. Can't wait for it to turn out. So next thing you want to do is you want to add some water, and you want to like let it like soak in the water a bit, cause like it wants to like soak in the water to like, and just add a little bit of water. Don't add too much. You just want to soak in the water and then mix it up. this is like what it should like turn into. Like, it should be all like not really creamy but wet and stuff. Okay, baby, go. Go, go, go. It's getting in my way. I'm trying to cook and I have a dog watching me. Just to... Okay, so. And this is what I turn up to. See? I still have some water left in it, so I'm going to take most of the water out of it. I don't want a lot of water. Maybe just a little tiny bit. So much. I mixed it and now it turned into the weirdest mixture it could come to. Ooh, I want to make sure it doesn't drip or anything. Okay, and that is what it's supposed to turn into. But then when you play with it a lot, it's like doughy and stuff. But then what you want to add next is you want to add some, what do you call it? You want to add some powdered sugar to this because you want it to be, and if you want to change your color, I think it'll be okay with brown. I'm not very sure, but I think it's okay. Okay, and don't go get the powdered sugar and we'll put it in. Okay guys, so I got some powdered sugar right here. I had a little help from Carrie. Just add how much, like, to add a decent amount you think is right, and then, yeah. Just put that right there. So, and then you want to mix it really, really good. It starts going, coming and forming doughy. It's not like all wet and stuff. But you want to mix it in really, really good. And then you add more powdered sugar because, I mean, it's still watery because I didn't add. Well, there's a hole at the top and it worked out. Look. Can you see? There's a little hole at the top and it shoots out powdered sugar air. So now I think I have a decent amount. I'm going to mix that in my bowl. Sorry that I don't have my clear bowl. I used that. Trying to make a different recipe, but it didn't turn out really. I'm supposed to, but it'll be okay. I didn't add powdered sugar. So it might have worked if I had powdered sugar. I just forgot. But yeah, so then you want to mix it till it's the right creamy consistency. Actually tastes good. Okay. What actually tastes good for an icing cream? And if you want to go ahead and add color, you may. Okay, then you want to add a lot of powdered sugar. Alright, so I'm adding as much as I possibly can into it. Okay, I think that should be good. I just added more to make my consistency a little bit more uneven. If you want to knead with your hands, you can, but this is probably wouldn't want to eat with your hands really so much, but let's taste it. I'm the judge. It's alright. Yeah, woo! It's good. It's delicious. It is delicious, but to me, but let me know if you try this recipe and you like it, and let me in the comments down below. Okay, so it should be into a peanut butter consistency with nuts in it. It's peanut butter with nuts in it. It should be into like this. It's like slime just forming into slime, but it's not actually. So, it looks like peanut butter so much, doesn't it? It just feels like it has nuts in it, because it does. From the, what was it? Snickers. So, then what you want to do is I'm going to lay out some powdered sugar on my table here. You're going to lay some powdered sugar out on your table. You want to get like a spoon or something to like spread it out, because you want to like spread it out. Make sure it's like even and everything. Spread it out. Nice and good. And then you want to get your I don't know, creamy peanut butter stuff. And you want to like roll it all into the powdered sugar. I know this is a very hard work because it is very sticky, very sticky, but you got to add a lot of powdered sugar to it. So I'm adding a lot of powdered sugar. This is way too much. Okay, so I put in that, and now let's form all this. Okay, so this is what it formed into, and then this is your icing. And I kind of knead it with my hands, but it's okay. This icing, if I wouldn't knead it with my hands, it turned into icing. But yeah, it's a taste tester, Carrie. Taste of my delicious icing. I said you can mix with your hands, but like, how are you supposed to get your icing? Because this is your icing. It's all over my hands. So taste it. Here's made out of Snickers and Milky Way.
Oh goodness. That's a big peanut.
Yeah, because of Snickers. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash my hands, and yeah. Carrie, can you press the big red button?